We have here the layer of batting and the top. We are going to take the backing fabric and put it right sides down. It's hard to tell on this particular fabric which is the right side and which is the wrong side. It really doesn't have one, so we're going to put it and we're going to line it up, and I'm actually going to pin this so it doesn't shift. Or I might use clips, we'll see. Now, in order to get a perfect point, which is almost impossible, I stitch to the end of the fabric, I back stitch to my 1/4 inch, and then I turn. I back stitch to the edge and then go forward. And I'm coming up to my double pins. That tells me I need to stop soon. I can go down a little bit past there. And now I'm going to back stitch to secure it. And now I'm going to clip my corners. Let's see, where I'm just going to go like that on all 4 corners. Clip stitches to stitches. Cut our beginning threads. And there, see how you can barely see this? That's what you want. It'll still show up on the back. I did not change the bobbin thread. It's the same bobbin thread. So there you go. I have put the darker thread in my machine. I'm using an 80 top stitch needle. I have 40 weight polyester thread in my bobbin and my needle, and I am setting up my machine for ruler work. So feed dogs down, and I set my stitch length to 0. I like to do both.